Hello students, welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy. Today I am going to give 7 sums in haloalkane, haloarene chapter. This is one of the chapter in organic chemistry, very important one. So let us see the first question. First question is, okay, which of the following is not chiral? Chiral means around the carbon atom all the groups are different, but they are asking which of the following is not chiral. Okay, so you write each and every structure, then only you can be able to find out. Understood? Option A, 2-hydroxypropanoic acid. Option B, 2-butanol. Option C, 2,3 dibromopentane. Option D, 3-bromopentane. Okay. Next one. Second question. CH3CH2 CH double bond CH2 plus HBr in presence of peroxide to get A. Then CH3CH double bond C CH3 twice plus HBr gives B. Identify A and B of the following. Option A, 1-bromobutane, 2-bromo-2-methylbutane. Option B, 2-bromo-butane, 1-bromo-2-methylbutane. Option C, 2-bromo-2-methylbutane, 1-bromo-butane. Option D, 2-bromo-2-methylbutane, 2-bromo-butane. So it is, for getting product, we have to follow the Markovnikov rule and anti-Markovnikov rule. So if you know this, you can be able to get the answer. Understood? Next one, third one. Identify A and B of the following reaction. Here, whenever alkene plus HI, you must know this is added based on Markovnikov rule. Okay, so here, cyclohexene to that methyl is added plus HI gives A. This is called cyclohexene plus Br2 in presence of, ultraviolet light in presence of heat to get B. So if you add like this, you are getting the two. A, we have one product, B, we have another product. So the option they are given the two products, so you have to find out which one is that. Okay. Option A, 1-iodo 1-methyl cyclohexane, 1-bromo cyclohex 2-ene. Option B, 2-iodo 1-methyl cyclohexane, 2-bromo cyclohex 1-ene. Option C, 1-iodo 2-methyl cyclohexane, 2-bromo cyclohex 2-ene. Option D, 1-iodo 1-methyl cyclohexene, 1-bromo cyclohex 1-ene. Okay. Next one. Fourth question. Benzene reacts with this one to get A, reacts with methyl chloride to get B. So identify A and B. Option A, chlorobenzene, toluene. Option B, biphenyl chlorobenzene. Option C, chlorobenzene biphenyl. Option D, chlorobenzene cumene. Fifth one. Which one is most reactive towards SN1 reaction? That's a question. So we have to find out which one is most reactive. Here, option A, C6H5 CH5 Br. Option B, C6H5 CH Br. Option C, C6H5 CH3 Br. Option D, C6H5 CH2 Br. Okay. So here we have someone follow SN1, someone follow SN2. Which compound favorable towards SN1. If means we can easy to find out among the four, anyone will be the answer. Understood? Next one. Trichloroacetaldehyde reacts with chlorobenzene in presence of sulfuric acid to produce. Okay, that's a question. We have to get the product. Okay. So here, so we are getting only big structure. Trichloroacetaldehyde, reacts with chlorobenzene in presence of constant sulfuric acid. One molecule of H2 will be eliminated. If you eliminate means we are getting this structure is obtained. Okay, so when you draw the structure, then only we are getting this one. Okay, next one. Seventh one. A hydrocarbon C5H10 does not react with chlorine in dark, but it gives a single monochlorocarbon C5H9Cl in bright sunlight. Identify the hydrocarbon. Okay. Option A, cyclopentane. Option B, cyclopentene. Option C, cyclohexane. Option D, cyclopentadiene. Okay. So I already told you, if you know the naming reaction and all, some important reaction, term reaction and all, you can use to get the answers. Understood? Okay. Thank you, students.